Welcome to Fit and Active.
Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Fit and Active channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to all of us, starting your fitness journey. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to recommit, we've got you covered with a step-by-step guide. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Define your goals. Starting your fitness journey begins with defining clear and specific goals. Understand why you're embarking on this journey. Set measurable and achievable targets, and give them a time frame. Write down both short-term and long-term goals, keeping them positive and flexible. Regularly review and adjust your goals as needed, and remember, your goals are personal and the driving force behind your journey to a healthier and fitter you. Step 2. Assess your current fitness level. Before diving into your fitness journey, it's essential to evaluate your current fitness level. This self-assessment provides a baseline for designing a safe and effective workout plan. Start by measuring key metrics like weight, body measurements, and recording your current fitness capabilities. Perform simple tests such as timed walks, squats, or planks to gauge your strength, endurance, and flexibility. Honest self-assessment helps you understand where you stand, sets realistic starting points, and allows you to track progress accurately as you move forward on your fitness journey. Step 3. Plan your workout routine. Crafting a well-rounded workout routine is pivotal to your fitness journey. Begin by aligning your routine with your defined goals, whether it's building strength, improving cardiovascular fitness, or enhancing flexibility. Select a mix of exercises that target different muscle groups and aspects of fitness. Gradually progress by increasing the intensity, duration, or weights used as your body adapts. A balanced routine encompasses cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Consider incorporating both compound movements and isolation exercises for a comprehensive approach. Having a structured routine not only maximizes your progress but also instills discipline and consistency, key elements in achieving your fitness aspirations. Step 4. Focus on nutrition. Nutrition is the cornerstone of a successful fitness journey. Cultivate a balanced diet that provides the necessary nutrients to support your goals, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or overall well-being. Prioritize lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats to fuel your body for workouts and aid in recovery. Incorporate a variety of fruits and vegetables for essential vitamins and minerals. Adequate hydration is paramount for performance and recovery, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. Consider post-workout nutrition to replenish glycogen stores and promote muscle repair. By nourishing your body appropriately, you not only enhance physical results but also sustain the energy and vitality needed to excel on your fitness journey. Step 5. Stay consistent. Consistency is the bedrock of progress in your fitness journey. Establish a routine that suits your lifestyle and commitments, ensuring you allocate dedicated time for exercise. Even on days when motivation wanes, prioritize showing up and putting in effort. Consistency builds positive habits that reinforce your goals and gradually lead to noticeable changes. It's crucial to strike a balance between pushing yourself and allowing for rest and recovery. Embrace the incremental improvements you make over time and understand that sustained effort, rather than sporadic intensity, yields the most significant transformations. By staying committed and maintaining a steady rhythm, you empower yourself to achieve and surpass your fitness aspirations. Step 6. Listen to your body. Attuning to your body's signals is a pivotal aspect of your fitness journey. Pay close attention to how your body responds to workouts, recognizing signs of fatigue, discomfort, or even injury. Allow for adequate rest days and incorporate active recovery methods such as stretching and foam rolling to prevent overexertion. Mindful self-care, including adequate sleep and stress management, contributes to optimal performance and recovery. Learning to differentiate between healthy challenges and potential harm is key. Pushing too hard without regard for your body's feedback can lead to setbacks. By fostering a deep connection with your body, you promote longevity in your fitness pursuits and prioritize your overall well-being. Step 7. Celebrate milestones. Recognizing and celebrating your fitness milestones is a powerful motivator throughout your journey. From conquering a new workout routine to hitting a weight loss goal, each achievement marks progress towards your larger aspirations. Embrace both scale and non-scale victories, whether it's completing a challenging workout, improving your form, or feeling more energized. Acknowledging these milestones not only boosts your confidence but reinforces the positive habits you've cultivated. Consider rewarding yourself with something meaningful, a new workout outfit, a spa day, or a fun activity, to commemorate your successes. By honoring your accomplishments, you build a positive association with your fitness journey and stay inspired to continue pushing forward. Conclusion. As we conclude our comprehensive guide to embarking on your fitness journey, remember that this path is unique to you. By clearly defining your goals, assessing your fitness level, planning a well-rounded workout routine, focusing on nourishing nutrition, maintaining consistency, listening to your body, and celebrating every milestone, you're equipped with the tools to achieve sustainable progress. Your journey is a fusion of dedication, patience, and self-compassion. Embrace the challenges, savor the victories, and keep in mind that it's the journey itself that holds the most transformative power. The Fit and Active community is here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us, and remember, your commitment to a healthier and more active life is a remarkable achievement in itself.
Before you go, remember to subscribe so you won't miss out on our upcoming videos. Feel free to hit that like button if you enjoyed what you watched. We're always eager to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment down below. Let's stay connected.